guys? NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's in the evening here, you know. Came home and check this out. What is this? Something in the mail came. Yo, alright. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Got the scissors prepared already. Nice, nice. Yeah, this is what I think it is. Hey, I'm excited. Okay, here we go, here we go. This is good. Oh shoot. Oh, it is. Here we go, here we go. Wow, yeah. Check this out, Nike. By you, me, not you, me. Yes, these are customized shoes right here, okay? So let me tell you the story about these. Well, first let's open them up, right? And then I'll tell you the story. I'm just so excited here. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting a long time. How the hell do we open this, huh? Come on now. Oh, just like that. Oh, just, come on. Here we go. Whoa, still haven't seen it. Oh gosh, come on. It just opens like that. All right, here we go. Yo, yes. Ah. Whoa, yo, black bottoms. Oh my gosh, yes. Anyways, I designed these shoes, customized them. So originally, this is what they look like here. And I saw them at the mall and I was like, wow, those are really nice. Because these are my old shoes, the Tommies. Got these in Vegas like long time ago. I think 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 years. Been pretty much all over the world with them. And these are my go-to. I just love the style, right? I actually picked these up at Marshall's. Wow, yeah, Marshall's of all places in Vegas. And yeah, they're done. They're done. It fell apart in the Philippines and I had to glue them back together, and to this day I'm still gluing them. So anyways, these are done, retired, and yeah, saw this and was able to customize them all white because that's what I like. All right, the white outfits gotta match, right? Wow, look at that. So yeah, these are the Nike Blazer Low 77, size 10.5. Wow, actually they look pretty big. It's gonna fit me. But yeah, pretty much all white, Nike logo white, everything white. This is black bottom, and just wanted a white shoe. I don't like those thick, chunky looking shoes, those Nike ones, Jordans and all that. I mean, yeah, they're alright, but I like low tops, like that slim looking, right? I'm trying to find this, but they stopped making them. So yeah, there you go. Wow. But yeah, pull the other one out. Hey, always save the box, all right? Always hold on to it. Collector's edition. Nike, yes. But yeah, these weren't cheap, I gotta say. Oh gosh, I spent $115 on these. I know, yeah, they do go for more, of course, but this was one of my biggest purchases in shoes, of course, because the Tommies, that was like $30 to $40, but now I'm spending $115 on this, plus tax, which equals 120 something. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Gosh, but I know you shoe heads out there spend an arm and a leg for them. But yeah, I'm just starting to get into them, okay? But hey, look inside. Black Nike. Oh, get this shit out of here. What the hell did I get that out of there? Probably hold on to that, right? Collector's edition. But yeah, you got the swoop in there. White swoop. And oof. Yeah, I'm starting a collection now. These are my very first Nikes. See, I like that style, right? The slim looking, yeah, right? So look at that. Actually, it's the same type of shoe, but this is for my blue outfits. And got these for at Burlington for I think $40 to $50. Oh yeah, $40 to $50 compared to 115. Oh my gosh. All right, enough talking. Let's go ahead and put these on. First time, here we go. Oh gosh, gotta take really good care of these. All right, put them on, come on. Come on, get these suckers on. Yo. Oh man, I am excited. Get that out of there too. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, get this. Move all this. You gotta really stretch these out. These are tight. Hold on, you gotta loosen them up. Oh, don't rip them. Hey, relax. What is this? Padding? That's kind of different, huh? Yeah, open this. Oh, I hope these fit. Oh. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah, they've. Oh, okay, they still got enough room in there. Just feeling where the big toe is. Yep. Okay. All right. Tie these up. Okay. Yes. There we go. That looks amazing. Sheesh. How's that look, huh? Nikes. Yeah, these are gonna go all over to my travels. Wow. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. But anyways, just want to share this video with you. I got new Nikes, starting my collection up. So if you guys like Nikes, let me know in the comments and what kind of collection you guys have, because like I said, I'm starting mine, so I got 2 pairs now. Let's get it going. Yep. Let's go. Come on. Get it growing. Also, I mean, like, you could also do different designs, like different colors of this. Any colors you want around here. But what do you think of my design? I mean, this is my customized Nikes right here. Did I do a good job? You like the all white? Because, hey, I love it. Yeah. All let's go ahead and take them off because, yeah. Oh, come on. Yes. Take these off. I don't want to ruin them. Leave them in the box. Oh, yeah. Oh. Whoa. Ah. Yes. Nikes. Ooh. I'm trying to get a thumbnail right now. Alright, let's go ahead and end off this video with yeah, just gonna go ahead and look at my shoes now, right? So yeah, let's get a deeper dive into it. Alright. Everybody, well, thanks for watching. Let's see how long I can keep them this looking good, right? Take very good care of them. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah, these are gonna get dirty fast. I'm already looking like, yeah. Look at the detail work on that. Look at. Did you pick up on camera? Yeah, probably not. But all right. Thank you, everybody. Nike, thank you. And we will see you in the next video. All right, make sure to go hit up my PayPal, my Venmo, and we will see you next time. Like and subscribe. Yes. Whoa. Bye-bye.